What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna open up some of the brand new Hot Wheels cars from the latest 2018 Hot Wheels end case. If you watched my unboxing of the end case, then you know I'm sending these 3 Hot Wheels cars to one lucky subscriber, and the winner of the giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner, and thank you all for entering. Over 1,000 of you guys commented and are subscribed to the channel, but only one could win the cars. I will be doing another Hot Wheels car giveaway when the next case arrives, so make sure you stay tuned for more. Now let's open up some of these new models, starting with the Gru-mobile from the animated movie Despicable Me. This next one is a gorgeous red hypercar. It's not the LaFerrari, but it's a red Porsche 918 Spyder. Here we have some Mopar muscle. It's a plum crazy purple 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. I really like this new black color of the 2017 Camaro ZL1 with yellow stripes. Our next Hot Wheels is a very nice HW Metro police car. It's a white Porsche Panamera. From HW Art Cars, we have the very cool 1969 Chevelle Ss396. This has to be one of my favorite 55 Chevy castings. It's a matte gray color with hot red flames. Up next, we have the latest color of Batman's TV series Batmobile with blue striping, windows, and bat. There was not a 2019 Silverado in my case, but we did get the Skyjacker suspension Ram 1500. Check out this new copper green color of the Hot Wheels hardware Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. The Urban Outlaw Morris Mini is back in Nightburners with a brand new red Magnus Walker edition. To match the custom 2015 Ford Mustang, now we have the purple then and now 67 Mustang. There is an all-new convertible variation of the Mad Manga, and this one is titled the Track Manga. Now the regular treasure hunt of the end case is this blue street beast, the Radical Racer. We have another new color for an HW Art car, and it's the orange-wheeled Fast Fish. And the last new Hot Wheels car we're cracking open today is an HW Ride-On's Kit Kart. Here we have some of the latest 2018 end case Hot Wheels. These are definitely some nice cars to look for in stores very soon. If you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.